The Green Building Design Conference for Health Facilities, which took place in Cape Town on August 16th, brought together key players from health and sustainable energy experts, local government and the building industry, focusing on the impact of sustainable energy options for health facilities. The conference was held at the One and Only Hotel, where 150 delegates heard presentations on how to maximize natural available energy and how to make public hospitals more energy efficient, manage infection control and alternative energy supply.
So this is an educational conference which is about sharing knowledge between the private sector and the public sector, because today if you were to be asked between a private hospital and a public hospital where you want to be, you will definitely want to be in a private hospital because you believe and you know that it is efficient and the workflow and everything is in line with profession that is in line with health facilities. Whereas for public hospitals, we still have a little bit of a problem, but there is really an adjustment towards improving health facilities in the public.
Use of metals within that system.
150 years ago, Florence Nightingale observed that the hallmark of a safe building was open windows. Today, scientific evidence is proving that she's right. Sustainable practices sometimes encourage technology which may compromise indoor air quality. So my goal here is to promote rational design and engineering of healthcare environments so that we can promote healthy indoor air quality and we can do it in a sustainable way.
We have something like 650 facilities in the province, and we are responsible for the design, construction, maintenance and operation. I came here for this Green Healthcare Conference because we try to put all the principle of sustainable design to our facilities.
Well, I will introduce Ecodamus to South Africa, and Ecodamus is a software application, and we've heard a lot of talk about BIM, and BIM stands for Building Information Modeling, and people talk about design, construction, and what we go into is how we operate the buildings. So what I'm doing here, we are working in the cloud, so I can access any facility using this portable tablet, and a facility manager or the maintenance personnel can double-click on any piece of equipment. It says the chiller water pump number 3. It gives you all the information that you need about that piece of equipment in your fingertip. And then again, you can ask for documents, ask for any information that's embedded in that particular pump.
In terms of sustainable design, I think South Africa is in the early stages of the sustainable design process, and they are more and more accepting that they have to incorporate sustainable design principles from the outset in projects. It's still early phases, but it's definitely changing. I think some of the original or the first buildings that we've done, a lot of the analysis and modeling almost came after the event, and now more and more we're finding that because of the industry has actually been educated, we are now able to do a lot of studies and things up front, and clients see the benefit in that and actually now investing and doing some more analysis and planning up front.
The conference will now be an annual event in order to follow up on the knowledge acquired and lessons learnt. The organisers recognise that more contractors should be brought to the conference next year to impact on the construction lifecycle.